Welcome to this installation tutorial. To install the Advanced Formula Booster, go to app.mdBoosters.com. Under the login box, look for the link that says Register as a new user. Click it, then fill out the form. Once you submit the form, an email is sent to your email address. Open it and click the Confirm Your Account button. Your account is now confirmed. You can now log in to the App Center. Click the Formula Booster button under the Other Products category. You now need to add the application to your Monday account. If you've already done it from the Monday Marketplace, skip this step. Now that the app has been added to your Monday account, authorize the connection between mdBoosters.com and the app so that you can start creating formulas. That's it, congratulations. You are ready to start creating formulas and automations. We offer plenty of resources to help you get started. If you ever get stuck, open a ticket in our in-app ticket system. We hope you enjoy the Advanced Formula Booster as much as we enjoyed creating it.